Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the extreme battery draining test starting from 100% to 0% in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So this is the iQOO Neo 7 device which has got the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and let's do the battery draining test using the PUBG mobile game at this moment. So right now the time is about 7 o'clock exactly and the game is open, and I'll be using with the smooth and extreme settings while performing this extreme battery draining test as well. And in the beginning the temperatures are 29 degrees Celsius, as you can see friends clearly, and these are the graphic settings which I'm trying to use while performing this test, as you can see. So I can be back exact after 8 o'clock, so maybe after 1 hour of time. So then we'll try to check how much the battery is drained and how much the high temperatures the phone did increase while doing this PUBG extreme battery draining test. While doing this test, I did try to select the refresh rate to 120Hz refresh rate, and I did try to use the balanced mode. So I did not use any kind of monster mode, nothing at all. So just I tried to use the balanced mode only. And another important factor is that regarding the brightness. So this is the exact brightness level I did try to select while doing this test. So maybe about close to 40% and 50% brightness levels as selected in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So let's see friends, how is the overall experience going to be there in this device regarding the overall battery draining. So how much we can actually observe for every 1 hour decrease using the smooth and extremes 120Hz refresh rate and with a 50% brightness and connecting to the Wi-Fi connection. So this is a Wi-Fi connection which I connected, not 4G. So again be back after 1 hour of time. So right now friends, we are about close to exact 8 o'clock, as you can see right now, exact 8 o'clock the time is at this moment, and right now the battery dropped to 87%, as you can see friends. As you can see, after 1 hour of gaming duration and using with the 120Hz refresh rate, 87%. So overall for the first 1 hour 13% has been decreased in the iQOO Neo. So 13% is decreased, so which is not bad overall for the first 1 hour of time. And the temperature, I did see the highest about 35 degrees Celsius while doing this PUBG gameplay test, and I can be back after 1 more hour, and I am trying to use with the 120Hz refresh rate and 50% brightness and with the Wi-Fi connection. So let's see friends in the second hour how much the battery will be draining in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So right now, as you can see friends, out of playing close to exactly kind of 2 hours of time, as you can see the game duration, the battery dropped to 72%, as you can see from 100% decreased it to 72%, so which is not bad for 2 hours of time continuously playing the PUBG gameplay at this moment. So all the gameplay is playing around 60 FPS only, not the 90 FPS. So for 2 hours the battery decreased to 72%, so which is close to 28% drop for first 2 hours of time, 28%. So average for 1 hour 14% is draining at this moment, and I will be back after 1 more hour. So we'll try to see in the 3 hours how much the battery is draining in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So right now, as you can see friends, after getting close to 3 hours of time, let me show you exactly what is the battery percentage. It dropped to 52%, as you can see. Slightly kind of not 3 hours exactly, so it's been 10-12 as you can see right now, so slightly 10 minutes more, but overall the battery dropped to 52%. So we can actually consider about maybe close to 54, somewhere around that kind of percentage for 3 hours of time, so which is not bad overall. So in this way, if I try to continue the test, the phone might come up to close to 6 hours of continuously PUBG gaming can be possible in this device, and the temperature slightly increased to 35 degrees Celsius. So overall 35 degrees Celsius is the highest temperatures I have seen in this iQOO Neo 7 device. I am trying to show you exactly the game duration time as well. So in case if you want to know game duration and the overall battery drain, so this might be another helpful for you. So I'm just connected to the Wi-Fi connection during this time of testing. So I can be back after 1 more hour, and then we'll try to check the temperatures again, what's going on regarding the overall battery draining. So right now, as you can see friends, after playing close to 4 hours of time, the battery dropped to 36%, as you can see friends, 36% after 4 hours of gaming. So this with the non-stop only using with the Wi-Fi connection. I started to play the test with the 120Hz refresh rate. Overall the temperature did increase up to 35 degrees Celsius. Right now it's maintaining about 35. So as I said, I did see the highest of 37 degrees Celsius in this iQOO Neo 7 device. So again, I'll be back after 1 more hour. Let's see friends in the 5 hours how much the battery will be draining. Overall the phone can easily last more than 6 hours without any kind of issues if this continues this kind of speed. So again, I'll be back friends after 5 hours of time. So right now, as you can see friends, after 5 hours of time exactly, the battery dropped to 22%. As you can see, the time is about 12 at this moment. I started around 7 o'clock. Right now it's been 12. So for 5 hours pretty much good, not bad, and temperatures were about close to 36 and 37 and 35 as well most of the time, so which is kind of good. So overall, again, I'll be back after 6 hours of time. So I'm expecting around 6 to 6.5 hours of time regarding the non-stop PUBG gaming can be possible in this iQOO Neo 7 device. So I'm gonna be back, friends, after 1 more hour. Right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting close to that kind of 0% as well. Right now it's 4%. So it's been more than 6 hours continuously playing the PUBG mobile game in this device, 6 hours non-stop, and I was able to play sometime but not all the time continuously. I just kept running as well, but I did play a couple of matches during this time because there are also various aspects which you should definitely keep into consideration, that I'm trying to use a Wi-Fi connection and using with a 50% brightness as well. So maybe if you use the mobile data connection, the things might be slightly different, and if you increase the brightness also, it might be different regarding the battery draining. Overall, with the 5000 mAh of battery, the phone will definitely last close to 6 hours without any issues in the iQOO Neo 7 device. That's what the demonstration I thought of demonstrating. Right now, as you can see, friends, we're exactly close to 1%, and the time is about 1:15, as you can see. Overall, 6 hours and 15 minutes of time the phone did play continuously at this moment. So right now the phone may get switch off at any minute as well. That's the reason I'm trying to show you the time exactly, how much it is. So right now I'm still running the game, and right now you can see this 6 hours and 18 minutes. So let's see, friends, how long the phone gonna continue the gameplay as well. And I did try to use the Wi-Fi connection at 120Hz refresh rate, so while performing the test. So I can be back at the end of the test result to show you how much the battery we got. I think I was expecting about 6 hours and 20 minutes, somewhere around that kind of figure. So at any minute the phone can definitely get switch off as well. So overall, I did not start any kind of stopwatch. That's the reason I'm trying to show you the time on the phone itself. And you can see the gameplay duration in the ultra game mode over there. So right now the time is about 1:20, as you can see. Overall 6 hours and 20 minutes of time. So continuously playing in this iQOO Neo 7 device, non-stop gaming. And in the battery settings, you can clearly see 6 hours and 20 minutes, and you can see the battery how much it dropped. So PUBG mobile game mode I did play while doing this kind of testing. You can clearly see here, friends, screen refresh rate 120Hz, and you can see everything, all the details. So this is a quick demonstration on the iQOO Neo 7 device. So at any minute the phone can get switch off completely. I think right now I did see a little bit kind of lag. I thought phone is getting switch off. That's not happening. Last 1% is holding, I think, more than 3 to 4 minutes of time in this device. And I got the notification saying the battery has run out and the phone will power off in 21 seconds. Overall, right now the time is about 1:21. So overall 6 hours and 21 minutes, the iQOO Neo 7 was able to play a non-stop the PUBG mobile game. 6 hours and 21 minutes in this 5000 mAh of battery capacity with a Dimensity 8200 processor. So in case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below, friends. This is the overall battery draining test in this iQOO Neo 7 device. The phone got completely switched off at this moment. Until then signing off, thank you for watching and bye.